Hello students, now I am going to explain this topic for our 10th class biology students today. Just like in the form of a remains plant hormones topics, just like gibberellin, functions, cytokinin and ethylene. The different functions and different properties, difference important of these plant hormones. आफ्टर 30 years of ऑक्सीजन डिस्कवरी, ऑक्सीजन की डिस्कवरी के 30 साल के बाद में the second group of a plant hormone has to be identified by the name of a gibberellin, GAA. Now it will be seen firstly in the rice field, where it is seen in Japan in form of a fungi. The functions of a gibberellin are that follows. The gibberellin content of a crop plant, gibberellin content of a crop plant, it is to be affect the shoot size, fruit development and growth. शूट साइज और फ्रूट डेवलपमेंट को अफेक्ट करता है, उसकी ग्रोथ को अफेक्ट करता है. इट द फॉर्म ऑफ प्रमोट्स द सीड जर्मिनेशन, यह सीड जर्मिनेशन को प्रमोट करता है and stimulate the stem and the root growth. Second, now then it is also responsible for the fruit growth. It is also responsible for the fruit growth and the absence of the pollinations. Where the pollination is not formed, it is to be responsible for the parthenocarpic fruits. Parthenocarpic fruits. It causes a bolting. The example of a bolting, the elongations of a internodes यानी जो अंदर की गांठें पाई जाती हैं, that is called a internodes. The cytokinin, the second plant hormone is a cytokinin. It stimulates the cell division in plants. यह प्लांट में सेल डिवीजन को प्रमोट करता है. सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ द जिएटिन वाज द फर्स्ट नेचुरल साइटोकाइनिन. जिएटिन एक पहला प्राकृतिक साइटोकाइनिन है. इट हेल्प इन डोरमेंसी ब्रेकिंग ऑफ अ सीड्स. डोरमेंसी पीरियड, सुषुप्त अवस्था जिसमें बीज इनर्ट कंडीशन में पड़ा रहता है, इट इज कॉल्ड ए डोरमेंसी कंडीशंस. After that, the ethylene. What is the work of ethylene? It is a gaseous hormone. It is found in the gas forms for to maturation of a fruits, just like papaya, mango, banana, etc. The ethylene is a natural product of a plant hormones, I mean plant tissues. It is a gaseous form. It is found in a gaseous form and it is called a gaseous hormones. It is produced all parts of the higher plants. यह पौधे के सभी उच्च भागों में पाया जाता है. It is grown into a growth regulators. It is a growth regulator. It causes a faster absorption of the leaves and flowers.